1. Everything happens for a reason. You learn and get better from everything that happens, whether it's good or bad. This also takes away the stress of failing. These are 7 quotes I keep telling myself to keep going. 2. You become what you believe. You can't get rich if you don't think you can. It's not like, oops, all of a sudden I'm a millionaire. 3. The only thing you can control is your mind. Once I realized this, I try to make my mind work for me and not against me. 4. Keep going and you'll win. Think about it. If you don't stop pushing for 20 years, you're going to get success pretty easily. 5. You can and you will. There's no point in doubting yourself. Act like you can and you will. This removes also the uncertainty about getting success. 6. Give time. Some things you just need to wait on, but still keep trying every day and it will come. You just have to be patient. 7. Do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it. Sometimes we just have to do it, but it's the best feeling after you do it. So start now.